spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
I hope you all are doing good and you're enjoying my videos so far. If you're new on the channel, then hi, my name is Simran and I create makeup tutorials and vlogs for you all. And if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload a video. And guess what? Happy New Year everyone. I hope 2021 is so far good to you all, and I wish and pray that it remains the same for the rest of the year as well. So in my today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys what are the makeup brushes for a basic eye makeup look, and with that I'm going to create this eye look. So let's not waste time and let's get directly into the video. So guys, I did my face off camera and now I'm going to move towards my eyes, and the first thing that I'm going to do is conceal my eyes, and for concealing I use this kind of a flat brush. Once I'm done concealing my eyes, next I'm going to move towards my eyeshadows, and for today's eye makeup I'm going to use my Huda Beauty palette, and the first shade that I'm going to use from the palette is Sandalwood. And the next brush that I'm going to use is this fluffy brush, and this is one brush which I feel every person who does makeup must have, because this is actually a lifesaver for your eyes. I'm going to take the shade in the brush and start applying it in my crease. Now once I'm done with my crease, the next brush that I'm going to use is this thick brush which I'm going to use to define my crease a little more, and the shade that I'm going to use is Cocoa from the palette. Also using the same shade, I'm going to cover the outer side of my eye. Now after this, I am going to use a flat brush, which is a small flat brush. And the shade that I'm going to use is Moon Dust from the palette. Now using this brush and this shade, I'm going to cover the inner corners of my eyes as well as the lid of my eye. Now after this, I am going to use a pencil brush and I'm going to go with the same shade and define the inner corners of my eyes. Now after this, I am going to move towards the lower side of my eye, and the only brush that I use for the lower side is this pencil brush, and I'm going to go with the shade Cocoa from the palette and start applying it on the lower side. So guys, I am all done with my brushes, and apart from these brushes, the one brush that I use is a flat shader brush, and this brush I use only when I have to cut my crease. Otherwise, I don't use this brush. So for a basic eye look, only these were the brushes that you need. If you have these brushes, you can easily go for a very nice look. And now let's go and complete the look. So after this, I am going to move towards my eyebrows. Now once I'm done with my eyebrows, next I'm going to move towards my eyeliner. So once I'm done with my eyeliner, next I'm going to move towards my kajal. Now after this, I am going to curl my lashes and apply my mascara. So guys, I am all done with my eyes, and now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and the first thing that I'm going to do is contour my face. Now once I'm done with my contouring, next I'm going to cut my face using my loose powder. Now till the time my loose powder sets, I am going to add blush to my face. Also, I'm going to add some blush to my nose. And after my blush, I am going to add my highlighter. Now after this, I am going to remove the excess loose powder. And next I'm going to move towards my lips, and the first thing that I'm going to do is line my lips. And after lining my lips, I am going to add a lip color to my look. With this, my look is all complete. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment section below your views about this look. Also, if you have any particular video requests, let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me on my Instagram or other social media accounts, for which the details are in the description below. And once again guys, Happy New Year everyone. Stay safe and healthy, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, I love you and bye bye.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.